Open banking APIs are transforming the financial landscape by enabling secure data sharing between banks and third-party apps. But how do you actually set them up? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through every step of setting up open banking APIs, from integration to security best practices. Let's get started. Open banking allows financial institutions to securely share customer data with authorized third parties via APIs. It's the backbone of modern fintech solutions like budgeting apps and neobanks. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire setup process, ensuring your APIs are secure, compliant, and fully functional. Before setting up your open banking APIs, it's crucial to understand the regulations governing data sharing and security. Key regulations include PSD2 EU requires banks to provide secure APIs for customer data access. Open Banking Standards UK mandates strong customer authentication and secure communication. Consumer Data Right Australia ensures data privacy and customer control. Compliance is not optional. Ensure your APIs meet all legal standards to avoid fines and ensure data integrity. The most common frameworks for open banking APIs are OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. These protocols enable secure authentication and data access without compromising user privacy. OAuth 2.0 enables secure user authentication. OpenID Connect adds identity verification on top of OAuth. FAP, Financial Grade API, ensures high security standards for financial data exchange. Choose the framework that best aligns with your region's regulations and your application's requirements. Designing a robust API starts with clear and comprehensive documentation. Your API should be easy to integrate and follow industry standards. Key elements of good API design include endpoint clarity, where you clearly define each endpoint and its function, data format, using standardized formats like JSON or XML, error handling, providing detailed error messages and codes, and rate limiting to prevent misuse and manage load efficiently. High-quality documentation speeds up integration and helps third-party developers understand your API capabilities. Security is non-negotiable when handling sensitive financial data. Implement multiple layers of protection to safeguard user information. Best practices for API security include encryption, using TLS for secure data transmission, multi-factor authentication, enhancing security with two-factor authentication, tokenization, replacing sensitive data with unique tokens, and an API gateway to manage traffic and enforce security policies. Incorporating these security measures minimizes the risk of data breaches and builds user trust. Before deploying, always test your open banking API in a sandbox environment. This allows you to identify and fix vulnerabilities without impacting real users. Testing checklist, functional testing, validate each endpoint, security testing. Identify vulnerabilities using penetration testing, performance testing. Ensure the API performs well under load. Compliance testing. Verify adherence to regional regulations. Comprehensive testing ensures that your API is secure, functional, and reliable. Once your API passes testing, it's time to deploy. Use a secure, scalable hosting environment and implement continuous monitoring to track performance and detect anomalies. Recommended tools: AWS API Gateway. Manage and scale your APIs. Postman or Insomnia test and document APIs. Prometheus and Grafana monitor API performance and detect issues in real time. Monitoring helps you maintain uptime and respond quickly to any issues that arise. Open banking APIs require continuous updates to stay compliant and secure. Implement a versioning strategy to manage upgrades without disrupting services. Maintenance tips: version control. Use semantic versioning to manage changes. Regular audits. Conduct security audits to ensure data protection. User support: maintain open communication with third-party developers. Setting up open banking APIs is a complex process, but with careful planning and secure implementation, you can build reliable and scalable solutions. Remember, compliance and security are the foundations of successful open banking integrations. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fintech tutorials and insights.